Hi guys! It's 5:25 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria. So ito ang aming lunch and dinner. And in the Philippines, it's 11 na ng gabi. So ito guys, pork ribs, liempo. Uy, meron pang pan. Hey guys, may isda. Kasarap ng ating isda guys. So ito guys, and of course guys, hindi mawawala si cheese hotdog. Syempre. And ang pinaka-paborito ko guys, sinigbang mais. And kimchi, sausawan, potato salad, and lettuce. So, ito guys, ang aming lunch and dinner for today. Kain tayo guys. And of course guys, ang bread, hindi yan mawawala. So, baboos! Baboos!